Want to track unique visitors clicking your short link? Let me show you how to enable unique click analytics in Catly. Open your Catly dashboard and find the short link you want to analyze. Click the setting icon next to the link, Unique Clicks. Here you will see the Unique Clicks option. Enable Unique Click Tracking. Unique clicks mean that multiple clicks from the same user within a specific time window will only be counted once. You can define the uniqueness time window, 15 minutes. For example, if the same user clicks the link multiple times within 15 minutes, it will still count as one unique click. Click Save to apply the settings. Unique clicks is now enabled for this short link. You can see it here. This helps you measure real visitors instead of counting repeated clicks. Try it yourself at Catly.